to the garage, and I'm trying to get back. Before the curtain run out, I'll be giving in my bestest, and nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon my turn to win some on learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait, I'm sure. Hey, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, I'm at Hayling Island, which is overlooking Portsmouth, which is near the ferry. So I'm just going to do a little wander around here, just and probably sit down on the beach. So we'll see how it goes, guys. So see you in a bit. Right guys, I've got a wind cover on the top, so this is just a test footage which obviously I'll post. So let's go for a little walk. There's a little bit of wind. I'm hoping a bit of wind's coming behind me. step behind me, this way. Just a little bit of wind, just to test it. I won't know until I get home. So I'll show a picture of this on the camera. I'll take a picture on my S5, yeah? Okay. There's a bit of wind there. So I'm hopefully meeting Ken from Adventure Madness for a meet up and hike to an undisclosed location, which I've been to before, but if you watch my channel you know which one it is, but I don't want many people knowing about that because it's a gem. And then go to the legal campsite. So this is just to test the audio, to see what it's only a little bit of wind, so just to test the footage. So I'm not going to put an intro, I'm not going to put an outro, I'm not even going to put that. What I'll do is just I might do an intro, I don't know. I might do. Yeah. Right, that should be it guys. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. See you later guys, bye bye. Right guys, this is another test footage where I've got it on the Gorilla Pod. So I've got a bit of wind coming in. So this is about maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 feet away. So let's see if I can bring myself a little bit closer. There we go. So hopefully that will pick up on the audio when I get home and listen to the audio. So there we go. Hopefully that will be, there's a bit of wind there, it's coming in. That's it. There's a little bit of wind coming in, just coming towards me, so hopefully that can pick up my voice. So there's a bit more wind coming. Got a lovely view behind me. This is Portsmouth over there, and this is Hayling Island, and this is Langston Harbour. So lovely place. Got a pub behind me there, so behind the camera. So lovely day, a little bit of a cold breeze in the air. So hopefully in the field, when I get the Dartmoor, this should probably cope with all the wind and the rain, I hope. So let's see what happens. Catch you in a bit guys. Alright guys, this is Hayling Island, and we've just sat down on the beach for a little bit, done a little walk. There's Portsmouth behind me. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye guys.
Open up your mind, see like me. Open up the plan to damn you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find. 'Cause I chose. Don't please, don't please, don't please, don't. 'Cause I need to dump the place. 'Cause I'm shy. This is okay, I'm sure. Ba-ba-bum-ba-bum-bum. Do, 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 do. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, I'm yours. Oh, 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 I'm yours. Oh, oh, baby, 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 I'm yours. Like a baby, 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 I'm yours. I'm sure.